Before we start, let's watch this video first.
Struggling to get noticed in a sea of competition? At Household Marketing Agency, we transform brands into unforgettable experiences. From eye-catching social media strategies to campaigns that actually convert, we help you reach the audience you deserve. Don't just market, make an impact. Schedule your free consultation today, and let's grow your business together.
Today, I'll show you how to create a professional 2D animated explainer video for your business in Canva. And this is free method, so even non-pro user can make this. As you can see, I'm on Canva free account. Now create a new video project. On the side panel, go to Apps section. Search for LottieFiles. And select this green icon. By using this app, you will be able to access all the premium animation files for free in Canva. This is new app which is yet to be discovered by many users, so be the first to take benefit from it. You can see there are a lot of animated icons. Let's make one explainer video. I will generate a script for my explainer video using ChatGPT. Then I will generate my voiceover using 11 Labs. Now back to Canva. I will also paste the script in my Canva notes because I don't want to confuse you by switching tabs. Now in your Lot app, search for your elements. Once you give access, the app will be shown in your side tab like this. And since I am making an agency video, I will search for marketing. If you are free user, then you will see crown icon like this. But with this Lottie app, you can use as many as you want. You simply need to click on the design and click on Add to Design. And it is ready to be used. Simply make some adjustment, and you have your animated image ready. I will change the background color. Something that pops like this blue. I will add other elements that suits my design. I will add the animation according to my script. Let me speed up the selection process to save your time. But you can see what animation I have used in this video. If you remember, we had download our voiceover. Now it's time to bring it to Canva. Go to Uploads, then Audio, and you will see the audio you just uploaded in Canva. Drag the voiceover audio back to Canva and adjust its position and duration.
Struggling to get noticed in a sea of competition? At Household Marketing Agency, we transform brands into unforgettable experiences. From eye-catching social media strategies to campaigns that actually convert, we help you reach the audience you deserve.
After you are satisfied, download it in MP4 format. And don't forget to let me know how was the video in the comments below.